If you need to locate information on a health-related topic, the database Ovid is an excellent resource for finding nursing and health journal articles. There are multiple ways to perform a search in Ovid. First, the basic search allows you to search by including related terms, to include synonyms or word associations for your search terms. You can also specify limits by expanding here. To find a particular article in a specific journal volume, click Find Citation and enter as much information as possible into the available search fields. Next, let's look at the Search Fields option. To search for a keyword across a particular field, like titles or abstracts, you can specify or choose to include all fields. The Advanced Search option gives you the ability to specify based on keyword, author, title, or journal, and you can click here to expand your filter options. Click Edit Limits to customize filter options for your search. The multi-field search is a way to create a more sophisticated search using multiple terms. To start, let's try smoking cessation in the top box and add the term nursing to the second box to narrow the search. You can adjust the search fields using the drop-down menus. You're also given the familiar limit options here. Click Search to return the results. To further limit your results, see the limiting filters located on the left. For instance, adjust based on date range or limit to a specific journal like the American Journal of Nursing. Because Ovid includes a variety of article types, including letters and editorials, it's important to look critically at article characteristics in order to determine whether an article is scholarly or peer-reviewed. Check out citations for source information and look for clues like abstracts and page lengths longer than 5 pages to be sure an article is scholarly. To select an article, click the title. This article will most likely be considered scholarly because it features an abstract at the beginning, a page length that exceeds 5 pages, and it contains a long bibliography at the end. To access the full text, click Article as PDF under Tools. To see common citations for this particular article, click Cite. Most nursing and health assignments require APA style, but be sure to check with your professor and always check generated citations with the style manual. Finally, if you have questions about using Ovid to locate health and nursing journal articles, be sure to ask a librarian.